Water enters the body as a simple drink, but within moments it becomes a powerful force of life. As the first sip is taken, the water flows into the stomach, spreading instantly through the body's inner pathways. In the intestines, microscopic structures absorb each droplet, transforming it into glowing hydration particles that enter the bloodstream. These particles travel quickly, lighting the brain with clarity, supporting smooth communication between neurons, and restoring the balance cells rely on. Muscles soak in the hydration, becoming more flexible, energized, and ready for movement. Deep in the gut, the microbiome awakens, thriving in an environment enriched by clean, steady moisture. But even water in excess can challenge the body. Too much at once may irritate the stomach, dilute electrolytes in the bloodstream, or lead to brief fatigue as the body struggles to rebalance. From nourishment to overload, this is the inner journey of water, life's simplest yet most essential fuel.